how to make your coffee mug way cooler. You 3D print a dinosaur.
Say you want someone, I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality. This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad at me.
This is how a 3D printer works. First, we must load the printing filament. Now we feed it into the extruder and it pulls itself up into the print head. Perfect, the filament has reached the print head. Next, we will level the bed so the print will be nice and flat. Next, we'll load the 3D file in our favorite 3D software, save the file to disk, insert the memory card, and load the file to print. Now the printer will heat up, and here we go. The printer is now printing the first layer. The first layer is the most important to ensure a very flat and good quality print. Did you know each layer is 1 millimeter thick and is made up of thousands of layers? This print took 2 hours. And here's the finished print. What do you think? And that's how we make a 3D print.